Hello, lovely people. You're all welcome to the Delicious Kitchen. My name is Tolu. Lovelies, I brought you the super delicious dinner rolls. This is so simple, direct, and quick. Prepare this for your family and they are going to love you more. For the exact measurements used, please check the description box. Check the comment section. You will find the measurements there. I'll be using all-purpose flour to bake this. I'm just going to add sugar direct into it now. After adding sugar, I'm going to add yeast. What I'm adding into it now is salt. And what I have here is the melted butter I'll be using. That is melted butter that I'm pouring into it now. And what I have here is milk. If you don't have milk, you can use water, no problem at all. And I'll be adding warm water into it now. Lovelies, my melted butter is still warm. The milk is warm and the water is also warm. Please don't use hot water. It must not be too hot. It's just warm. After that, I mixed everything together and this is what I have. Now I need to mix it very, very well. Mix it very well with your hand. You don't need a machine to do this. You can just use your hand to mix it like this, like the way I'm doing. After that, you're going to need a work surface, flour your work surface, and transfer the dough. Love this very part that we have right now is very, very essential. The dough has to be kneaded until it becomes smooth, elastic, stretchy, you know what I mean. So you just need to keep doing this. Do this for about 5 to 7 minutes and you will get it. Let me use this opportunity to say thank you so much to all you my returning subscribers. Thank you so much to all you my active followers. I love you all mega. Lovelies, for you to get that so easily, you can do this the way I'm just doing it. Lift it up, let it hit the table, and it will also give you good results. It will fasten it. You will get this smooth texture and stretchy texture you need. So after that, I use my hands to just flat it this way. And I got my pizza cutter. I cut it into 4 pieces like this. I cut it into 4 portions. I'm just going to use 3 portions for these dinner rolls. The 4th one is for something else. So each of this dough will be cut into 4 pieces. So that is it. After that, I got the tray I'm using this glass for baking it. I just cream it with some butter and each of the dough have to be rolled this way. This is very important as well. Take it, roll it like this and tuck it in. Just keep pushing it in, push it in until it becomes so roundish, so round like this, and it's just like a ball form. Okay, and you place it gently on the glass or on the tray you'll be using. You repeat the same process until you are through with all your dough. So lovelies, that's what we have. It's now time to cover it, allow it to be double in size. After about 40 minutes, this is what I have. It's now time to cream the top with some milk. Yes, just cream it with some milk or egg white. After that, this is what you're going to have. Preheat your oven up to around 180 centigrade and bake for about 20 minutes until it's golden brown. Bring it out, cream the top with some butter and enjoy. So let me take one and show you how it looks. Look at it. Let me open it. Lovely. This is super soft. It's so much very hot. Taste this. This is yummy. This is yummy. Get your butter, get your cheese, and enjoy. Thank you so much for watching. Please remember to share, save, and comment. Bye-bye.